You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name once and for all correctly. It is sometimes spelled with two L's, and when it's got two L's, it's more of a name of Italian origin, Daniela. Now with one L, the Italians wouldn't spell it that way. It's more English version, and the pronunciation is generally as Daniela. Daniela. Do you pronounce it any other ways? Let us know in the comments. Daniela? No, I don't think so. Let us know how you pronounce it and where you're from, so we can learn from you your pronunciation. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.